Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's look at 5 best stocks that are trading under $5. So without any further delay, let's get started. Our first stock is PetMed. You guys are looking at the weekly chart for PetMed. As a rule of thumb, the weekly chart we will follow just 3 moving averages. The yellow line is with 10-week moving average, the white line is with 25-week moving average, and the purple line is with 50-week moving average. This stock was in a long decline for a long time and looks like it's got bottomed out. It reclaimed all 3 moving averages back. So this stock is a buy, and the buy point is 4.90 to 5.14, and your stop loss is at 4.51. The second stock is China Automotive. This stock was in a sideways move for a while and it's trading at the 10-week moving average as of now. So this stock is also a buy, and the buy point is 4.38 to 4.60, and your stop loss is at 4.02. The third one is Ambev. This stock was in a decline for a long time, but finally took the 25 and 10-week lines and ready to make a move. So this stock is also a buy, and the buy point is 2.30 to 2.42, and your stop loss at 2.12. The fourth stock is BigBear.ai. This stock recently took over the 10, 25, and the 50-week lines and also formed a quick consolidation. So this stock is a buy, and the buy point is 2.65 to 2.78, and your stop loss is at 2.44. The last stock is TOYO. This is an IPO stock and recently formed the IPO base. It also regained the 10-week line. So this stock is a buy, and the buy point is 3.50 to 3.68, and your stop loss is at 3.22 as of now. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys in another video relatively very shortly. Until then, happy trading.